Okay, let's get to work on this easy omelet recipe. Eggs are great anytime, and the beautiful thing about omelets is you can customize it and make it your own. I'm almost willing to call this one the kitchen sink omelet. I've got 3 whole eggs. I add some egg whites for volume. I season it up with salt, pepper, garlic, and onion powder. Add it right into that nice hot pan. We'll move those eggs around and start adding our ingredients. Here I'm using mushrooms, onions, female bacon, sun-dried tomato, lots of cheese. I've got chopped cilantro and spinach. Do me a favor as well, go ahead and smash that like button and also that subscribe button so you can see more great easy recipes on my YouTube channel. I'll be happy to get you as many great ideas as I can. This omelet is just fantastic. I love eggs anytime.
Boom! It's a delicious omelet. Wow.